2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Hello again. This traditional Irish folk song, The Rocks of Bawn, dates from the 18th century. It's been recorded by Macom and Clancy, Paul Brady and many others. I'm playing the song in the key of D. We just have 4 chords: D major, G major, that's the 4-fingered version, or just a traditional 3-fingered version, A major, and B minor. It's in 3/4 time, and the pattern is as follows. It's in 3/4 time, so we're going to count 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3, and the emphasis on the first beats, slight emphasis on the first beat as usual for each bar. So this is the pattern we're going to pick: 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. Very easy to follow. My thumb is going to pick the root note for each chord. Now the root note is the note that gives the chord its name. So for D major, the root note is D. That's the 4th string open. And then we pick and 2 and 3 and with my first finger, second finger, third finger. So 1 and 2 and. Now your fingers will generally fall on those strings that they're going to pick. So thumb picks the root note, first finger picks the 3rd string, second finger picks the 2nd string, and up pick, all up picks except for the thumb, and the 3rd finger picks the 1st string, back to the 2nd string, 2nd finger, and back to the 3rd string, 1st finger, and the count is 1 and 2 and 3 and. The only thing that will change from chord to chord is which note, which string you pick for the 1 beat, for the root note. So when we're playing G major, the root note this time is the 6th string, 3rd fret. That note is G. So my thumb picks that with a down pick. Otherwise my fingers do the same pattern. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. For A major, the root note this time is A, which is the open 5th string. So that's for my thumb. And the B minor chord, the root note this time is B, which is the 2nd fret of the 5th string, and we're fretting that here with my first finger. It's a bar chord. 1 and 2 and 3 and. I have a series of lessons where we use that finger picking style to accompany loads of songs. So if you want to check that out on the website, getcrackingguitar.com. I suggest you download the lyric sheet, and on that lyric sheet you will see where I have marked the chords over the words, and you will see here in the sample, and where I have the syllable I have the chord written over, that's the 1 beat. For example, that first line, D to A to G to G. If you prefer to strum along using a pick, it's a very simple strum pattern. 1, 2, 3, pick, 2, 3. You pick the root note. So that first line will look as follows.
1, 2, 3, 1,